I'm using the new, well, new to me, DJI Mic Mini. So hopefully this sounds good, but I have a bunch of new packages that I bought and I want to unbox them with you. So the first one that I'm going to start with is not beauty related, but it made me excited, so I'm going to show it. This is from Vans. It's the new, well, my new surf booties. I'm so excited for these. You have no idea. They're so hard to take on and off, but I don't care. I love them and they keep my feet warm, so that's what matters. But they're really cute. They have like the little Vans white stripes, and I love them. All right, the next one, I feel like it's not surprising. I'm always shopping from here. Vieve. This is what I got. I got the Brat Modern Lip Definer. I got Promise, the lipstick. I got the Soul Shadows in Burn. That's like the shade Burn. And I got the Lip Dew in Mirror. So I have like a lot of ideas. I can't wait to share with you guys. But I have a video called Mirror that I'm planning on filming soon. Same with Brat. I already have the lipstick, so I got that to go with it. Promise I got for free for buying this stuff. Burn, I have video ideas. It's gonna go with like some video ideas I have up my sleeve. And then Promise was free, so I think I'm gonna turn something into this because it's really cute. And who doesn't love a good Promise? And then this one I'm excited for, but we'll see how it goes. This one's from Sleepy Time. So this one is the Sleepy Tide Camille Costet, I think. Little pouch thing. I don't know who that is, but she has cute aesthetic, so I got it. So first it comes with the Sleepy Tie in this really pretty blue, like baby blue color. I got the large because I have a lot of hair. So hopefully this works. I'll keep you guys updated on that. I got a scrunchie. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Cute. I got this ice roller for my face and my skincare. This cute little brush that matches. Cute. And last but not least, this all came as a set, by the way. I got this little gua sha for my face. And like this really pretty, like iridescent color that matches. And this cute little bag. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I mean, I'm excited to use it all. I feel like it's definitely gonna up my skin and hair care game, so I'm excited. I don't know where to put this stuff. I went a little overboard, I will admit. Sick. I don't think I was meant for aesthetic unboxing videos, but it's fine. I did it. I finally did it. That's what I got. It's from Naked Sundays, and I've never tried them before, so I'm going to show you what I got, but I'm excited to use it, and I'll let you guys know how it is. So I got the Naked Sundays Hydrating Glow Mist Top-Up Spray with SPF 50. I got the UV Hair Protectant Mist. This I got for free with my other stuff. I got the brush, the foundation brush. I'm so excited to try this. This is like a really pretty like holographic one too, so catch that in my videos. These little mini glow drops. Well, I got this set for free too. And I got the colors Bronze, Illuminating, and Blush, and they all have SPF 50, so you know I need SPF. And then I got the Mineral Peptide Foundation Tint in the shade 2.5, so Hopefully that matches me. The water gel serum. And then the Glow and Go lip oil in the flavored coconut. So yes, very summery vibes. And then it came in like this little bag too. So it says hot girl sunscreen. So cute. I don't know, man. I'm excited for this stuff. I haven't bought new makeup in a long time. So we're gonna play around and see what we can make out of them. Okay. Now, for the start of the show, they had a sale, so I got more than I needed, but it's fine. I'm so excited. We're gonna start with this box. It's huge. What is in this? It's just more boxes. Look at this cute little tote bag. I didn't need it, but honestly, whenever I go surfing and I go to the beach, I just want like a little bag to throw my keys and my sunscreen in. So, it's gonna be my new surf beach bag to go in my bigger surf beach bag. But this is what I'll bring on the beach. So, put these in here. Now for the main event. So, when I saw this on their website, I was like, that's too much. I'm never gonna get that. And as always, like when I buy anything, I buy it on sale. Like I just wait for it to go on sale and then I bought it. So this I got like 50% off, which is a huge score. But I bought this. This is the Get It Blush PR box from Tower 28. This is me manifesting. So I did buy this though. I always see like all these like people open their PR boxes and I'm like, I wish I could just buy it. So I finally did. I'm gonna cry. Look at it. It's so cute. I felt like an influencer. Stop it. Look at it. These straws, I can't. This is what it looks like. I'm not crying, you're crying. It comes with 6 shades, so Malibu Cooler, Felice Fresca, Samo Spritzer, Long Beach Iced Tea, Sautel Slushy, and Culver Crush. And you know, my account is all about makeup and locations, and I live in LA, so the fact that their products are all named after places in LA, the content is gonna be great. So many ideas. How do I even open this? Is this how influencers feel? Look at them. I'll get better shots of it, but like, I can't believe it. How cute are these? I use straws in all my drinks, so I'm excited. Okay, I think this is a towel. Oh, sick. I'm doing great. This is so cool. People get this stuff for free. It's crazy. This is Felice Fresca. This over here. Stop. You guys are not ready for the content. I like how it has like the get set, like, you know how like on cans they have like the facts. So this one says get set blush facts, 6 blushes per can, serving size 4 grams, benefits per swirl, 12-hour fade proof color, blurs and smooth texture, sweat proof matte finish, and then breathability, skin smoothing, shine control, lightweight feel, matte finish. And they're part of the National Eczema Association, which is great for me because my skin gets like dry patches on it and it's not fun. So this is great. And of course, as everything that I get, it is vegan, cruelty-free, earth sensitive, and this is even talc free. So when I say I'm excited for these products, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. But no, honestly, that was such a fun experience opening all these packages, but this one specifically, like when you just get a package and it's like fun to open, it's the best feeling. So I had a blast. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and opening my packages, and yeah, we're gonna see how they turn out on my page. You know, I like to do all kinds of fun little vegan and cruelty-free makeup commercials. So I am so excited. You have no idea. I'm gonna go plan out all the videos that I'm gonna do and then get to it. I know I'm not using my macro lens, but I still want to show you up close. This is what it looks like. So cute. These are the little facts on the side. I love it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. It's like gonna be like a collector's thing for me. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'm stoked to use this stuff. So if you want to see me use it and get, you know, all the cute little macro shots, then it's coming up. Go check out the channel. And if you're one of these brands, thanks for making these beautiful products, and I hope you guys see what I do with them. But thank you again. I love you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. I love you.